Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix overexposed photos in Snapseed. Fixing an overexposed photos in Snapseed involves using various tools and adjustments. So here's how you can do it. Go ahead and open up your Snapseed application and tap on the plus button. Select an image where you have overexposed with filters or other elements. Or in other words, go ahead and pick up the image that you've over-edited. Once you open up a photo where you have overexposed yourself, go ahead and tap on the Tools option at the bottom. Once you select Tools, tap on Tune Image at the top left. Adjust the following settings, that is brightness. Decrease the brightness from your photo by swiping towards the left. Tap on the slider at the bottom and select Contrast. Similarly, you can also reduce the contrast or simply adjust the contrast to enhance the overall depth of the photo. After you've increased the contrast to enhance the depth, go ahead and tap on the slider once again and pick Saturation. Now, adjust the saturation to bring back the color intensity lost due to overexposure. Now, after you increase your saturation as well, go to Ambience. Make sure to increase the ambience in order to improve the overall balance between highlights and shadows. If you have over-highlighted on your photo, you can reduce the highlights. Increase the shadow by choosing the shadow effect and swiping towards the right from the screen. So after you make changes to all of these options to your overexposed photo, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right to save the change. Now the next tool you'll need to use is Details. Tap the Tools option at the bottom and tap on Details. Once you get to Details, tap on the slider at the bottom and then increase the structure and sharpening of the image as shown on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the tick mark at the lower right once again to save the changes that you've just made. After you've done with that, you will be able to fix your overexposed photos in Snapseed. After you are satisfied with the result, tap on Export at the bottom right and choose one of the Shave and Share options. And that is how you will be able to fix your overexposed photo in Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.